You ruined my life. Look who she is! Okay, I was about to record and she just jumped in my room and just snuggled like this. You wanna go now? Oh, you just wanna eat the food? You're so kidding. Yeah. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. She's just adorable. Little baby. Yeah. You little baby. Okay, I'm not gonna get her off me. Oh, she going? Oh, she going? Press stop button. I'm kidding. Dogs, honestly, she's just a big softie. That's the one who literally shouts, not just barks. She yaps, she barks, she runs away, disobedient, poos, wheeze. Just really, just, just annoys me so much. And when I think about it, it makes me more annoying. And in the morning, I am doing Chloe Shorten's challenge. And Chloe, if you're watching this, listen. So the way I'm going to do it is get milk and tomato ketchup. Get the milk, squirt the ketchup in, and get a lid on the cup and shake it, and then drink it. And I probably throw up. And also, my hair is messed up still, but I'm going to get sorted out tomorrow morning. So I'm looking forward to that. And hopefully after this vlog, I am going to do a gaming video because I haven't done one for a bit of a long time now. So I need to do some of that. And just every time I'm about to record, the dog comes in my room and interrupts me. And it's just so annoying. I might do the gun. I might do not gun. I might do the game 6 guns because I like the graphics and it's amazing. And also, I'm actually gonna check my viewers on my iPod. Take your time. That's it. So, on the challenge one, 32. I can hear something. So challenge, check the challenge. The second one, 32. Challenge 25. Prank video 31. Why my parents so annoying 35. Lol 17. 6 gun 23. Dub smash 23. Tanky painful gameplay 19. My dog Sam 32. Dub smash 32. Teamwork 20. My Triller 45. Smashing Tablet Part 4 21. Dub Smash 53. Jackie Boys Kill Me 14. Smash My Tablet Part 28. I'm just not read them all because I'm getting bored already. And so hopefully I'm doing that game tonight if my laptop is not having a bad day because I couldn't record this morning because my laptop was not working properly, so it was had to get fixed like 5th time now. So I'm hoping to get a new laptop next year because I'm sick of this one. I think it's just had its day. I'm sorry, laptop. It just and my phone's ringing. Minute. Let me see what it is. Let me. Oh, yeah. You stick on my finger. Who's it gonna be? Yeah, I love that song. Where's my phone? There it is. Okay. 5 missed calls. Oh. Oh. Ready? Prank call. Hello, this is the takeaway. Would you like some noodles? What about? Yeah. Okay, would you like some noodles first? I need to say goodbye to some people. So I'm gonna go, guys, before I get killed by my hearers. So see you guys later. Minute 1. Try again.